So in this video, we'll see how we can create custom product template in WooCommerce. Like currently by default, you use WordPress WooCommerce given template. Now, if you want to change it, how we can do it? Let's go. Here I need to install Elementor plugin and Elementor Pro. Here you can see I have installed Elementor. What I need to add Elementor Pro that I have purchased and downloaded. So I will just upload it. Activate plugin. Now Elementor Pro is installed. Okay. Now we will create product page template with it. Okay. So here I will go on single product, no template, want to create one. Click on add new. These are some sample product template. If you want, you can select from here. Okay. We will create custom. So let's start. So what will be? We will create two sections. Go on add new, click on flexbox 2. Okay. Now left will be for images. Here on product, here you can see product images. Here you can see. Now how to look, you can style it. Border spacing, thumbnail, whatever you want to style, you can style it. Now on the right side, what we want, in the right side, in top we want title. Here you can see product titles. Here you can see product titles. You can change heading as per your requirement. You can change font family, typography. If you want to change the font style, here you can make it bolder, lighter as per your requirement. There are multiple options you can style it. Now after that, I want to show product price. Here you can see. If you want to add line spacing between them, you can add it here. I want to add a divider. Suppose that here you can see width will be this, gap no, color I will change. Now suppose you want to show stock. Quantity selected. So that we need to add to cart. Here you can see add to cart. Now layout, stacked, inline, auto. You can select. I will select stacked. Here you can style what button, or here you can style quantity. If you don't want to show quantity, you can hide it. So we want to show quantity, spacing. Here up and down. Now suppose you want to show some custom icon or anything, you can show that. Like I want to show some text related to product usually ship in 2 days. Go here, select product meta, and I will place it here. Here we see product category is currently uncategorized. I will remove margin padding. For now, we are just creating basic. Now we want to add some Here I will create three grid. For that I will create three grid, one row, and here I will add icon box. Like that will help me to tell some like free shipping or anything like that. Here product content is here, and if you want to show a short description here, go on here. Here you will see short description. Here short description, then here long description. I will add a title. Description. Go here, scroll down to WooCommerce product. Query will be latest current featured manual related product. I want to show some related product or upsell if you have added upsell to that product or cross sell of that product, they will be shown here. Here. I want to show only one row. Here you can see. Very simple. Description, then I will add title above it, related product or something like that. Sorry, title. Like related. Usually show here. Here I've created a very basic. Now in which product you want to show, you can select specific category, specific product, or you can select by tags. I want to show on a specific category. I will type plants, the plants with product category. Here, now I will go on plant. This is my plant. Here, you can see we have created name, category, for description, price, add. It is very basic and simple. If you want to know to add something or want to add some extra thing, let me know. I will show you how that will be added and customized. I have created very simple so that you can know how to create custom product template for WooCommerce. Okay, so that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.